Hey everyone, Michael here, and today I'm going to guide you on how to use motion blur in CapCut. If you've been wanting to add that smooth blur effect to your images or videos, you're in the right place. Stick with me and let's dive right in. First up, launch CapCut and tap New Project. For this demo, we'll work with some stock videos. So head over to Stock Videos. Now, let's pick a couple of videos, say this one and this one. There we go. With both videos in our timeline, here's where the magic happens. Click on the first video and swipe through the options until you spot the motion blur icon. It looks like a little person running. Once you're there, you can adjust the blur intensity and blend as per your preference. If you're curious about what each setting does, that handy question mark next to them offers a brief description. Let's apply the motion blur to the first video, adjusting the settings to our liking. Repeat the same process for the second video. After tweaking both videos, let's see our work in action. Hit the play button and observe the enhanced transition between the clips. No more hard cuts. You'll now see a smooth, blurry transition. Perfect for making your edits even more professional. That's how you can effortlessly use motion blur in CapCut. If you found this tutorial useful, drop your feedback in the comments. Looking forward to seeing your awesome edits. Catch you in the next tutorial.